Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ kalẹ àti bí tẹ́tí mò wá. This is CrossblogxTV. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Eléyìí tún lágbára o. Wọ́n ní Olu Alo tún kọ lẹ́tà sí French Embassy lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Yẹmisí Ìyábọ̀ Òbí tán ní ó fẹ́ deport láti France. Allegedly ni o. Wọ́n ní ó kọ lẹ́tà sí France. Ṣé lóòótọ́ ni Olu Alo lágbára láti gbé ìyàwó ẹ̀ wálé láti France? Eléyìí tí wà kọjá bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Wọ́n ní Adúródẹ̀ ló fi ìyàwó ìjẹ́ nílùú France. Rotimi Daniel ti ń pariwo láti jọjọ́ yìí, ìyàwó ẹ̀dá ká ló ti jáde. Wọ́n ní ọ̀rọ̀ yóò bá má kọjá bẹ́ẹ̀ o, ṣùgbọ́n nísìnyí eléyìí ti kọjá àfẹnusọ. Bọ̀ nínú gbogbo rògbòdìyàn tó ń lọ left and right yìí, ṣé àwọn àgbààgbà CAC kankan ò sí láti dá sí ni? Tó bá jẹ́ pé ọmọ ọjọ́ kan ló ń go through eléyìí pẹ̀lú ìyàwó ẹ̀ tó ní dádì báyìí ń ṣẹlẹ̀, báwo náà ṣe fẹ́ dárú ẹjọ́ báyìí nígbà tí dádì gbọ̀ngàn tí irú ẹjọ́ yẹn ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lára wọn tó yìn rùn tí ó ti tàn. Wọ́n ní ẹ̀gbọ́n ìyàwó Olu Alo gan ìtọ́ ló ṣiṣẹ́ ní àdánimúgò rédíò. Wọ́n ní kò ṣiṣẹ́ ń bẹ̀ mọ́, ṣùgbọ́n Olu Alo continue láti máa san sálárì yẹn. Wọ́n ní kí ni ìdí eléyìí? Ṣé Olu Alo ní tó fẹ́ fi ṣe ni àbí kò ní tó fẹ́ fi ṣe? Wọ́n ní ọ̀rọ̀ yìí máa di public petition o. Tí Olu Alo bá tètè yára láti paná ọ̀rọ̀ yìí, ó máa kọjá bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ já gbọ́ ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ àlàyé yìí pẹ̀lú Maureen Badejo.
Ẹ̀yin ọmọ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì Olu Alo ṣé Canada ló wà ní àbí because you see we are all interested in the case. Gbogbo wa tá wà online, gbogbo wa la wà interested in Ìyábọ̀ Òbí's case. Thank God for Sister Mo. Honestly, Faja, they are doing a fantastic job. And that sister is really trying. She tried. Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè á dilé àtọ̀nà wọn mú. But actually kì í ṣe nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ ṣe lénìí. But mo kàn fẹ́ yẹ kí gbogbo wa ká bẹ̀rẹ̀. Let's brainstorm together. Ṣé ọ̀pọ̀ àwọn kankan máa ń wà tó máa ń dàbí kàyéfì. Mo máa play nǹkan tí Sister May, so some of you ti gbọ́ lọ́dọ̀ Rotimi, but I want us to analyze it. Ṣé Olu Alo ní power láti ask for deportation of Ìyábọ̀ ni? Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Ọlọ́run o, ẹ̀yin ọmọ Ọlọ́run o, mẹ́wàá ń jẹlẹ̀ dúníyàn o. Ẹ kalẹ fún ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ti gbọ́, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ká mú ní kọ̀ọ̀kan ká wá analyze ẹ̀. Màá wá sọ ẹ wá wò. We have a lot of àwọn tí ọpọlọ wọn pé online, àwọn tí orí wọn pé tí, and you know the beauty of the whole thing. Àìmọye àwọn immigration lawyers tó ń wò wá báyìí. Àìmọye àwọn immigration lawyers tó ń wò wá báyìí tó mọ what is going on. Ṣé rí gbà mí? Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí sister yìí sọ, pé feedback tó fún àwọn group ẹ̀, but I want us to look at it critically. But nǹkan tẹ́mi ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ gbogbo èyí tẹ́ ẹ̀ wò mí lé lóko, ṣé Olu Alo ní right láti deport ẹni tó ní kó lọ jà dúró as a single parent? O gbéra ẹ jáde àsọkọ ẹ o, ìwọ dẹ̀ ló mú lọ síbẹ̀ o. Ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ.
Promised to drop the copy of the letter to Kosi French Embassy. And up to this moment, well, of course, we know when he said it, we knew he was lying. And up to this moment, we haven't received it. Because the capacity not to demand for deportation anybody. But that was what he said. And he said he was going to provide that letter to confirm that he actually did that. But up to this moment, Asiri copy letter. Then number 2.
Ẹ máa di o number 1.
Time frame within which Iyawo would come back. Come back to Nigeria.
The guy didn't know that he has helped her cause.
He hasn't come with anything.
Brought you a kalesa.
And when we were there, unfortunately, because one pariwo kiri àti àwọn ajá tó kó sórí social media, tí wọ́n sọ ìbò that we are afraid in. We are not afraid in, no. Yes, we are not afraid in. And we are not, only you people's panic. We are becoming the...
Lórí Kini, panic lórí Kini.
Panic. I don't know how I can. Because never see us like because I need to stop people share anything. We haven't said he did anything. We just asked, where's the Iyawo? Gbogbo, ẹjọ́ wẹ́wẹ́. And unfortunately, because Motiwo, ẹni tó lọ́mọ, rí ìyàwó ẹ̀, rọ́mọ mẹ́ta, kò tá lára. File suit for defamation of character. We are ready for you. We have justification for that, and we are going to defend it. We are going to defend that. Anyway, we've been indemnified, but we are still going to fight for that family because we intimidate family. And this man, he has also sown a seed of discord among them. Because ṣé ló sọ pé ẹnìkan sọ báyìí tó fẹ́ fọkùnrin family tó fẹ́ forí wọn gbára.
Ṣé ẹ ń gbọ́ pásítọ̀ yín?
This about this person, you have not said this about this person. I have to sọ fẹ́ nìyẹn pé
wọ́n ní wọn ò rí ọmọ wọn. Pásítọ̀ yín sọ pé Ìyábọ̀ sọ eléyìí nípa eléyìí, Ìyábọ̀ sọ eléyìí nípa eléyìí, Ìyábọ̀ sọ eléyìí nípa eléyìí. Ẹ máa dé o, àwọn òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run yín ni wọn o.
Could you be doing this? In fact, this is not even important because let this lady, let her come back. When she comes back, then you can now be asking her because Osimbi by insane. Wọ́n sọ pé, and gbogbo irú àwọn nǹkan báyìí ó wà irrelevant. It's not iṣẹ́ ìgbà tó pé wá síbí báyìí nìyẹn. Àwọn wèrè kan wà níta, ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣépè fún wa.
Torí wọn náà wá fi gbé pè wọn.
Because àwọn ọmọ yìí ò bí.
Whether you're a content creator on YouTube and Instagram or an independent
má bínú o, mi ò download ẹ ní o.
The best way to legitimize your business is with GoDaddy Era.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ti tó fi ọmọ fọ́kọ, bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ṣe fi wọ́n fọ́kọ báyìí, wọ́n máa ra ní àbí kọ́ máa gbókùn yẹn.
Ẹ bá mi pa WhatsApp o.
Orí ń fọ́ ìyá yẹn, ìyá ṣí orí ẹ̀. Ó sọ pé àbí wọ́n ní dá ìfọ̀nù funfun, kọ́ bo ewu orí òun.
Àwọn tó ò ní rìgáàdì, wọn ò ní joy, àwọn eléyìí ò ní joy.
Kò mú ìwẹ̀, ó ní wọ́n bá ìlú orúkọ jẹ́.
Orúkọ òfò tí ò ní.
Ìyẹn ló fẹ́ máa fà. Ọmọ tó wà lákàtà ẹ̀ kan fún mi. Ó rí nǹkan kan ṣe sí. Mo sọ pé bóyá lọ sí Jordan. Ṣé ìyá tèmi ló bá gbé lọ sí Jordan ni? Ṣé ìyá mi ló fẹ́ gbé lọ sí Jordan?
Àbá nà ẹ.
Ìyá tó gbé lọ sí Jordan. Ṣé exchange ni fún Ìyábọ̀ ni? You lied and also said that you bought her 2 phones in January 2024.
Jẹ́
It
ìgbọ́ o.
was a lie. Because I saw before this woman don't look. Could have been phone tuntun. The woman couldn't even say anything. Ṣé fóònù tó rà fún ìyá Ìjẹ̀ṣà? Ṣé exchange ni fún Ìyábọ̀ ni? You lied that Iyabo's brother still works with you. Iyabo's brother resigned from your company.
Bam.
But you knew what you wanted to do and you continued to pay his salary.
Why is Olu Alo still paying that guy even after he has resigned?
You also lied that.
Ṣé ti gbọ́ ẹ̀rọ?
To the police station. The guy told you that Kokoma worry. That he sent you a voice note. And what you said a lot of things that should be any common last asylum nílùú òyìnbó. Immediately we called that guy, he picked his phone. That the guy should know how he works. And you also like that the guy spoke with her. Yeah, I don't know, that the guy spoke with Iyabo May this year. And the guy said no. He did not.
Ṣé gbọ́ o.
Kí ló dé tó ń fún wa ní igbó dídí ṣá?
Ó ní wòlíì yín parọ́.
Ó wá aṣọ funfun, ṣùgbọ́n aṣọ funfun is stained. Ó ti wà stained. Because this thing is getting very interesting.
Bẹ́ẹ̀.
We are still expecting you to file your suit. Okoloya mẹ́ta dání. Unfortunately, o mọ̀ wé kà. Because kò sí nǹkan tí there's no how you can't understand. You can't have a deep understanding of what is going on. Because all they want from me is to collect your money. So kò sí nǹkan tó máa ti sọ fún ẹ ló máa ṣe bọ̀. Wọ́n rò bóyá kó lọ́gbọ́n lórí Mr. Olu Alo. You should be more intelligent than that.
Who slap me, gbàgà?
Wọ́n ní o ṣe kinní kan. Ṣé ìyẹn là ń sọ ni? Àbí kò gbé Ìyábọ̀ jáde? Gbé Ìyábọ̀ jáde náà. Because when one goat is missing,
Hello, Moto.
Get suspicious.
Bẹ́ẹ̀.
Because I want this online.
Ǹjẹ́ orí kíkà àti tí o tẹ̀ ní dídé sí?
Hello.
Ẹ ṣé.
We are not afraid, rárá. I do tán ni. Because ó sọ fún mi, ó sọ pé because mi ò ní nǹkan kan. Because when I told you that deportation is not the end of the world. Ó sọ fún mi pé nítorí pé mo ò ní nǹkan kan ni. Gbogbo nǹkan tí mo ní, you can never have it. Ọmọ oníbìnrin ni mi. I had a privileged background. Mo ní degrees, which you can never
What
have.
is that sound? Somebody called in, brother Ṣílájò. Èèyàn ló fóònù mi wọ́n pè ní and I can't carry it. Nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ kí gbogbo wa ká gbọ́ nìyẹn. Mo fẹ́ yẹ kí gbogbo wa ká understand nǹkan kan. Ẹ káalẹ́ gbogbo ilé. Ẹ káalẹ́ ẹ̀yin ẹ̀gbọ́n mi, ẹ̀yin àbúrò mi. You know what? We are all interested in this case. And that's why I have to come back. Honestly, what I want to do tonight is Baba Isaac Omoleye's case. But notwithstanding, after this one, maybe tomorrow or next, we will come back and look into that one very well. But Olu Alo, ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ, let's brainstorm. Olu Alo ó sọ fún wọn ní, ó sọ fọ́lọ́pàá pé òun ti recall, ó ti submit a letter sí French embassy for deportation of Iyabo, which ó fún ní 7 days to provide it. Ṣé ẹ̀yin dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé French embassy máa ní date tó ń lu lẹ́tà wọlé àbí ẹ̀ mọ̀ ni, and French embassy kò ní bẹ́ẹ̀ anybody ṣe pa irọ́ kankan. Ṣé ń dé ó ní wòlíì yín kò tí ì rí lẹ́tà mú wá, instead kó mú lẹ́tà jáde. Ó dàbí pé ó dàbí pé Olu Alo ti kánlẹ̀. Bumi Brown, good evening. Ó dàbí pé ó ti kánlẹ̀, ó dàbí pé kò sí ìlú mọ́, ó dàbí pé ó ti wà ní ìlú àwọn ará Canada. Ó dàbí pé ó dàbí, I don't know, I'm not too sure, but ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń follow ẹ̀ ń bí ẹ mọ ibi tó wà. Wọ́n ní ó ti lọ sí Canada. Ẹjọ́ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń follow ẹ̀, ṣé ẹ rí lẹ́ni, ṣé bọ́lá ti rí, ṣé rí ní Jesus 60 lẹ́ni. Ẹjọ́ ṣé ẹ rí Olu Alo ní Jesus 60 lẹ́ni ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi. Èmi mọ̀ pé àwọn kan ń follow ẹ̀ ń bí báyìí. Ẹjọ́ ta ló rí lẹ́ni ní Jesus 60? Ẹja a máa jọ ṣe show yìí ní sẹ́ẹ̀. It's not only Maureen. Ẹjọ́ ta ló rí Olu Alo lẹ́ni ní Jesus 60? Mi ò rẹ́ anybody ta lórí lẹ́ni ní Jesus 60. Ẹjọ́ ṣolú ẹta lórí lẹ́ni. Today is Sunday. Ta lórí ní Jesus City lẹ́ni. Because at any particular time ẹ máa ń mọ ibi tó wà, but according to our information wọ́n ló ti kánlẹ̀ pé ó ti lọ sí Canada. Ẹjọ́ ṣe ẹ rí ní church lẹ́ni. Because ó máa ń wà online. Olu Alo can only run but cannot hide. I agree with you. Yes. Ẹjọ́ ṣé ẹ rí ta lórí ní Jesus City lẹ́ni. Ebe ní Sunday ẹ mọ̀ pé ó wà Nàìjíríà ní ẹjọ́ ta ló rí ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹni tó bá rí lẹ́ni ta ló wo program ẹ̀ lẹ́ni ta ló rí. As long you follow him last, that's good. But nǹkan tẹ́mi fẹ́ bèrè, no peace for the wicked, agreed Gabriel Ade, yes. Ẹni tí ó ń sá nígbà tí wọn ò lè ó máa bọ́ sára ẹ̀ pa sínú kọ́nà àbíkan ni nínú nǹkan tó ó tún wá ń threaten family yẹn pé òun máa sue wọn. Wọ́n pè òun léléyìí, wọ́n pè òun léléyìí, ló pè òun ní whatever tán bá pè ẹ́ ó tanná wa ni. Ṣé rí òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ó máa ń dàbí ìsọkúsọ ni. Tó bá jẹ́ pé jẹ́jẹ́ nígbà tí family ti béèrè ọmọ wọn lọ́wọ́ ẹ ló ti fún wọn ní the right information, nobody will ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ ò ní dórí social media. Èmi àtẹ̀yìn tá a jọ wà ń bí ìyá àtẹ̀yìn ní ṣe show ẹ̀ rárá. But ìwọ feel pé ta ló máa bí ẹ́. You see, when you are too arrogant, when you feel that you are more than bó ṣe jẹ́, a máa ríru àwọn kan báyìí. Ó ní ó lóun sì recall fún deportation ẹ̀. Ṣé ẹjọ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ìmọ̀ kan tó lọ àlọ́ fi gbogbo tí àwọn tó ń advice ẹ̀ tí wọn ò bá mọ̀ nǹkan a mọ̀ pé òun gangan fún ara ẹ̀ kò mọ bó ṣe ń lọ. Sister Tokunbo, lovely good evening my sister. Ẹ kálẹ́. Tí Olu Alo fún ara ẹ̀ ò bá mọ bó ṣe ń lọ. Anything that has something to do with ìlú òyìnbó, Nigeria, you can do so many things and get away with it. No doubt about it. When you have money, but fortunately ibi tó bọ̀ sí ara ẹ̀ mọ́ yìí owó ò ṣe é, ojú máa ti owó níbi tó bá dé yìí. Ẹ lọ kọ́lẹ̀ o, ojú máa ti owó níbi tó bá dé yìí. Ìlú òyìnbó ni. We are talking about human being. We are talking about human being. We are talking about safeguarding issue. We have children below 18, 3 of them. We are talking about 4 human ènìyàn mẹ́rin. Ṣé ká ní ìlú wa jẹ́ ìlú tí ó appreciate life. It pains me. Olu Alo supposed not to go home. Mi ò kọ́ ọlọ́pàá bóyá máa ṣiṣẹ́ wọn o, but ó ní àwọn pé òun ti send letter tó ń yọ bọ́rọ̀ yìí. Wọ́n sì tí mo kàn mọ̀ ni pé bí irọ́ bá lọ lógún ọdún, ọjọ́ kan ṣoṣo báyìí ni òótọ́ máa bá. Olu ó fẹ́ deport ẹni tí ìwọ ló mọ́bìnrin yìí lọ síbẹ̀, but ó ní kó jẹ adúró as a single parent. Kò lóun lọ́kọ fún ìjọba abẹ̀ náà. Bọ̀bọ́ yìí náà múgùn. Ṣé o mọ̀ pé o fẹ́ complicate? O tẹ̀ lè deport ẹ̀. O lè rí ṣe. Àwọn èèyàn mo dẹ̀ rò pé téèyàn ò bá lówó lọ́wọ́ á fowó ẹ̀ ra a good legal counsel. You have money. Ṣé o ń ṣàwọn pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ ni? Wọ́n á lè guide ẹ bó tiẹ̀ mọ̀wé. But àwọn tó wà around there, they understand. We are talking about abuse every month in Canada. What is his business in overseas? I don't know. How can you have the God to say you want to deport ẹni tí o sọ fún ìjọba? Ó yẹ wáyé, ó ti ẹ̀ dá. Ó jẹ́ pé ìjọba France máa jẹ ilé ẹ̀ tó wà níṣẹ́ tẹ́tẹ́ àbí ẹ̀tẹ́ àbí whatever. In fact, ó ti ń commit àwọn nǹkan tí wọ́n máa fi finish ẹ̀. Request for whose deportation of who? Ìwọ tó wá sí ìlú òyìnbó tó drop ìyàwó ẹ̀ tí ó jẹ àdúrà as a single parent. ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ẹ wò ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ lọ́gbọ́n ẹjọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ ò fẹ́ yé mi mọ́ so record o ní the next one deport àwọn wo ẹ wo ẹ̀yin family yẹn má má bẹ̀rù Olu Alo ò lè deport ọmọ yín ẹyọ ọkọ yẹn ó dá èmi lójú kò lè deport ọmọ yín ó ti yìnbọn síra ẹ̀ lẹ́sẹ̀ deport ta ni ṣóun ló ebo single parent kan ló jẹ ni ó mọ̀ pé orúkọ ẹ̀ lásán ó máa trigger ni ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi èmi mi fẹ́ we need to submit petition against him tí ó bá jẹ́ pé ó fẹ́ ṣe deportation we will start online petition against him deport ta ni ẹni tó abuse àbí ẹ jẹ́ akọ Olu Alo lọ́gbọ̀n náà ẹ̀yin ọmọ èèyàn Nigerians apọ̀ tó online now. Let this one serve as a deterrence to others. Let's petition Olu Alo. Deport ta ni. Èmi ò wá mọ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń gbọ́ mi nílé lóko. Gbogbo ṣebí kò lè Kini yóò máa lè. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ jẹ́ á gbé petition jáde. How many of you feel that this guy needs to be kashemi in Europe? How many thank you Uncle Roland ta ló second this million? Let's petition Olu Alo at this stage ó ti ń kọjá yìí so that ká fẹ́ díẹ̀ síta ẹ̀yin èèyàn kí lẹ̀ ń wò. I'm asking all of you. I have 135 on Facebook. I have 130. What is your opinion about this? Do you think Olu Alo is doing the right thing? They've been asking this man láti ọjọ́ yóò mọ̀ wọn lọ. He's telling them he wants to deport who? Don't you think we should jẹ́ ká start the petition against here? Why? Gbogbo Kini yóò ti ń pẹ́ jù ti Nigeria ẹ jẹ́ àfẹ́ni lóyìnbó àgbà justice fast. Who is with me on this? Nigerians, who is with me on this? Why? I'm asking everybody anybody that feels, if you want justice for this lady, who is with me on this? Let's start online petition for this lady. Kí la máa submit here. Fífò ìyà tó ń fò kiri yìí. Wọ́n bèèrè question lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ó fò ìyà kiri. So what are we waiting for? Ṣebí lọ́la àti competition mọ́ wèrè ẹ̀ndì ló ṣe lóhun fẹ́ sue àwọn kan. Who is with me? I'm asking you. Let's start online petition fast. Tí bá rí èèyàn 500 péré tó bá mi sign is enough for me. It's enough for me. This is a safeguarding issue. Safeguarding issue is the collective responsibility èmi àti you. Mi ò tẹ̀ mí to deport who? Lẹ́yìn how many years? Olórí burúkú Olu Alo Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè gbọ́ kò pé mi kò dùn kò mo sọ mo tútù sọ. Deport who? Ẹ̀yin èèyàn yìí kí ló dé? Tó bá tiẹ̀ ń dì wá ó ń bèèrè nǹkan lọ́wọ́ idiot. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mò ń bẹ̀ yín mo fẹ́ mọ ẹni tó bá fi pé kò tí ọ̀rọ̀ Olu Alo ti tó level ká take it up in Europe. This matter is a European own, it's kò ń ṣe Nigeria own. Let's take it up here. Ẹ̀yin family yẹ gbọ́ dáadáa Olu Alo ò lè deport ajá. Bó ṣe wà yẹn ilé ẹ̀ tó wà ń lu yẹn ó máa forfeit ẹgbẹ̀yìn ni. Let's petition him. If you are with me on this, come ẹ jẹ́ ká discuss. Èmi o sórí ibi tá a bá dé yìí ó ti ń kọjá yìí. Writing which embassy to deport who? ẹni tí ìwọ fìyà jẹ in the last 3 years. Ó wá láyà ó wá lóun kọ lẹ́tà kan deport. Àwọn wo la adviser ẹ̀ gan Olu Alo? Ó kọ lẹ́tà ó kọ lẹ́tà, ìsọkúsọ ló sọ. So if you want to contribute, what is your opinion? What do you think we should do at this stage? Are you with me? Let's start an online petition. Enough of all this nonsense. He's at fault, either we like it or not. Olu Alo is at fault. I don't know. Sherry, ẹ̀yin lẹ pọ́n jẹ̀bẹ̀lẹ̀ lákìtà. Ẹ ti pọ́nlé tó Sherry at this stage. There's consequences for every action. To gbé petition jáde kò pẹ́ o. So if you are hearing me, and what do you think? I'm going to put the number you are in for, but a lot of people are in for. He wants to ask which Nigeria Olu Alo ló máa padà sí Nigeria tó ní lè wá lóyìnbó mọ́. Arrangement wo ló make fún deport ta ni? Ìwọ ló máa grant sí Nigeria tó ní lè wọ̀ lóyìnbó mọ́. It's high time we start online petition. Enough of enough. Àti fún ní enough time tó kò ní nǹkan gidi. Ẹjẹ́ ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí jẹgba ẹ̀ ní Europe. Do you think deportation is the right thing for Iyabo? Tó bá lè jẹ́ pé nǹkan tí wọ́n fẹ́ nìyẹn, let us know. What is your opinion about this deportation thing? Because all of you are worried. All of you are gbogbo wa yìí la fẹ́ mọ̀ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí this particular family. Because everybody ló ń follow ẹ̀ látijọ́ ẹ̀. So what is your thought? What do you want us to do? Do you want us to go for online petition? Do you want us to start a petition against Olu Alo? Or thank you. I can see TikTok there. In fact, TikTok is going gaga. They want. Let the general public petition. We have every right. It's a safeguarding issue. Let's start it. Thank you, everybody. Let us. Olu Alo ti kọjá àyè, ó ti pọ̀ jù now. Tí ò bá jẹ́ ìkọjá àyè, ta ni kò deport. Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ kó. So this Mr. Bola, if she goes to Nigeria with the kid, she will suffer and her take the children. Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ kó lọ sí Nigeria bo. Kò lọ Nigeria kankan. There are women organization that is going to fight her case for her. Which Naija? Àbí Olu Alo gangan ni ó máa jókòó sí Naija ni òní gbúròó lóyìnbó wá mọ́. So ìyà tó jẹ láti 2016 dìsí kó jẹ lásán. Àbí ẹ̀rí ọkùnrin tí gbogbo táwọn ẹbí obìnrin ń béèrè ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ látijọ́ tí ò rí kankan ṣe. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà, irú àwọn pásọ̀ wo la níyì? I don't know about you. What do you think? Thank you, Olariwaju Henry. Thank you. Èmi ò support kí Iyabo lọ Nigeria o, because there is nothing for her there. There are women organizations in France that can fight for her. There are women organizations everywhere in the whole world that can fight for her. There are human rights organizations that will fight her case for her. She has a very good case. she should not go to Nigeria. Absolutely nothing for her in Nigeria with the thank you ko ẹni tó kọ bá wá fìyà jẹ. Èmi ò mọ̀ bóyá èmi nìkan ni mò ń ronú bẹ́ẹ̀ o gbà tí mo gbọ́. Let's petition Olu Alo. Yes. Kí ni arrangement tó ní fún? Ṣìmọ̀nà èmi náà support kó lọ Nigeria. Nigeria is not an honestly is not an option. I am disappointed in him sending them to. In fact, ó rẹ̀ mí gbà tí mo gbọ́ him pé òun competition sí French embassy pé òun kọ letter sí ó sì submit petition. All of you that is hearing me, madam, leave our prophet alone. Prophet yín yẹn orí ẹ̀ ò pé. Let her no come home. Oh. I'm reading comments. Oh. How many of you support Iyabo coming home? Then wo iye àwọn tó fẹ́ kó come home mọ́. Àwọn tó ní leave my prophet alone. Ṣé Demi talk about leave my prophet? Olu Alo should be barred from entering Europe. Honestly, we can do it. We can achieve that. It will serve as a deterrence to others. Demi don't only leave my prophet alone. Your prophet don't ṣe rádaràda ni. So if you see how many of you think Nigeria is the best option for Iyabo ẹjọ́? Ṣé Nigeria ni best option fún Iyabo ni? Àbí kó dúró ẹ̀ sí bí ìlú ibi tó wà? Joyce Bademosi, good evening my sister, how are you? He wants to discipline her in Nigeria. Gbà bẹ́ẹ̀, Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ kó lọ jìyà, ọ̀run ò ní jẹ́ kó jìyà irú ẹ̀. Ọlárewájú Eri, God bless you. In fact, you are speaking my heart. France is the best place for. Thank you. Ọlọ́run ní dá wa padà sẹ́yìn pẹ̀lú gbogbo ìyà tó ti jẹ. Ẹ wo ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi. I think the family should come together to do a public awareness. You see, he might be trying to do his deportation thing for inventive reason. So they should act fast. What is he for him to even think in that direction? Ó wá yẹ kí ẹ̀yin tètè wá counter ẹ̀. It is too late to go back to Nigeria. Let her talk and vindicate her husband now. Emma, vindicate her husband now. She should never come back to Nigeria. Oh. Nigerians, Iyabo should stay in France to enjoy her life after all she's been through. This will quicken her asylum application. Yes! Mama! But what I'm saying is this. For Olu Alo to think that deportation is the next thing, ìkà Olu Alo. I am in the same shoe with her. I ran for my life with my kid. If the family, they don't know, how would the children start in Nigeria? I'm sure they don't even speak English. God bless you, brother Tio Kote Yemi. Why would a father, pẹ̀lú gbogbo wọn táwọn ọmọ yẹn ti là kọjá, think deportation is the next thing? How can he think? Bó ṣe wà yóò fẹ́ dì pẹ̀lú wọn ni. Oh, my people. Tí tọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ bá bà ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, I just pity. You see what we are play here. Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ kí honestly we need to act. We need to act. Ṣé ti gbọ́ àwọn ọmọ Olu Alo, àwọn ọmọ church Olu Alo? Nigeria want to see her now. Let her see her people. Ṣé ti rí àwọn ọmọ church Olu Alo? Ẹ̀yin náà máa deport. Ẹ̀yin àtọ̀gá yín náà máa deport. Ẹ̀yin àtàwọn ọmọ church yín, ẹ̀yin àtọ̀gá yín Olu Alo ló máa gba deportation, kì í ṣe Ìyábọ̀. Nigeria wants to see her now. Let her. How can a man of èèyàn ẹ máa rí nǹkan tí mò ń sọ yìí, story yìí, if you don't act fast now, àsìkò ti tó tí Olu Alo máa jẹ petition ní Europe. Àsìkò ti tó tí Olu Alo máa jẹ petition. Enough evidence wà tá máa kó tì. Enough evidence wà. Not only man, which man of God? Ẹni tó ń wá kó deport ìyàwó àtàwọn ọmọ ẹ̀. I still can't fathom all this scenario, but this is reality. There's nothing you can do about it. That is what he said he did. I know. Yẹ́rí ẹ̀ ń fa àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan. Yẹ́rí kan dára fi ṣeré yìí. Thank God, Europe kì í ṣe Nigeria, but and at the same time ẹ̀yin lọ́yà, there are other ways tó tún lè ṣe o. Ẹ mọ̀ pé tó bá yẹ pé kì í ṣe pé Olu Alo ló gbé ọmọbìnrin yìí lọ síbẹ̀ ni, tó bá yẹ pé kì í ṣe pé ọwọ́ ẹ̀ ló fi mú lọ síbẹ̀, ṣe mọ̀ pé àṣọ ọkọ ẹ̀, tó bá yẹ pé kì í ṣe pé ọwọ́ ẹ̀ ló fi mú lọ síbẹ̀ tó ní kó já dúró, àṣọ ọkọ ẹ̀ ó ní right láti ó lè ṣe deportation, so káwọn èèyàn kẹ má gọra yé àmọ́ nǹkan tó kọ sínú lẹ́tà o. That is the more reason ẹ lè rò pé kò kọ lẹ́tà kó ti kọ lẹ́tà o. Èmi bá yín wò ó the other way round ni o. Ó lè parọ́ jọ sínú lẹ́tà o. Tó bá dẹ̀ lo Nigeria government. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nigeria ẹ keep fídíò mi yìí o. Eléyìí náà, me I have triple for the man and he tried to spoil my asylum application. Somebody is saying, you see Nigerians, keep video mi yìí. Keep video mi yìí because ṣẹ́rí wọ́n fi pé Olu Alo parọ́ ní ti pé kò mú lẹ́tà because ó ní reason tí ò fi mú lẹ́tà yẹn sílẹ̀. Èmi believe pé ó kọ lẹ́tà. Èmi believe pé ó kọ lẹ́tà, but ẹ mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó kọ sínú lẹ́tà, lẹ́yìn ni ò fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ rí, ni ò ṣe gbé lẹ́tà sílẹ̀. Tí ò bá ó lè parọ́ sínú lẹ́tà. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà online, mo mọ̀ pé intelligent people are here and I know lawyers are here. As my husband, tí bá jà dúró, tí bá ní ogun kan lé mi dé, tó bá ní marriage certificate and all the necessary documentation tó kó tì, á ní ẹbí ò pa mí, á ṣe gbogbo nǹkan sí pé kò sí nǹkan tó ṣe mí, á dẹ̀ sọ pé òun lọkọ mi, á dẹ̀ lo Nigeria government pẹ̀lú Nigeria embassy, wọ́n á deport olúwẹ̀ o tó lọ́mọ nínú. Lawyers ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ṣé nǹkan tí mo sọ yìí ṣé kò ṣòótọ́? Lawyers ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ fi àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan ṣeré because of the reason he didn't lie. Ẹni ó parọ́ kò parọ́ kọ lẹ́tà. Lẹ́tà tó kọ kò fẹ́ jẹ́ kó rí content lẹ́tà yẹn because ó ti parọ́ sínú lẹ́tà. Ṣé rí nǹkan tó ṣe lẹ́sẹ̀jì tẹ wà yìí ó máa ṣọ́ọ̀kì gbogbo yín. Okay, this is your own. It's only God that helped me. I have to quickly report to Gadi here. Thank you, my sister. If you are listening to me now, okay, but the French government, thank you, Bratio. He said, but the woman can use her children as an alibi for her to remain in France. The question the French government will ask is, why did he have to wait this long? He said they have to quickly move the children and the kid to another county here in Ireland. Somebody is sharing the same thing tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí òun, but ti Ireland ló ti ṣẹlẹ̀. But nǹkan tí èmi sọ, Olu Alo ní right, tó bá yẹ pé ó ní right láti ọkọ ẹ̀ ní, ó ní marriage certificate, ó ní wedding picture, ó ní proof pé ìyàwó òun ni, ó lè sọ pé ìyàwó ẹ̀ ni. Ogun kọ̀ọ̀kan ò lé wọn, ebi ò pa wọ́n, I am capable. Tó bá submit àwọn nǹkan tó ní fún ìjọba, tó bá submit gbogbo nǹkan tó ní fún ìjọba, wọ́n á deport ẹ̀ now. Except one thing. Tí tó bá ní accept if her life is in danger, which I know that life ẹ̀ dẹ̀ wà in danger, ibi tọ́kàn mi balẹ̀ sí nìyẹn, but àmọ́ irọ́ ó ṣe rí tẹ bá rí lẹ́tà yẹn dání lẹ lè mọ nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe o. Tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá ti rí lẹ́tà yẹn, they won't deport her if she quickly speak with the police. Yes. France used the same EU law as Ireland. But one thing I know is that èmi mọ̀ pé ó kúkú ń wò wá báyìí. Ìyábọ̀ ń wo fídíò. Olu Alo plan àti deport ẹ o tó bá ń gbọ́. But for him to even, I said that earlier, for him to even have the guts, for him to even think that he wants to deport her, they won't allow Olu Alo to come to France anymore. Ó sì wá sí France, rántí pé ó sì wá France lẹ́jọ́ mẹ́ta yìí tó ń wá kiri, tó lọ sọ́dọ̀ ọlọ́pàá, tó lọ sí school, tó lọ pẹ̀lú gbogbo kan. Ó ìwà France ní ìgbà kémi tó lọ. Olu Alo will enter France. Ẹ mọ̀ why? Ọ̀nà tó ń àwọn ẹbí ẹ̀ ti dé, máa kà jáde. Maureen, which side are you? You said he used his wife. You said he should produce his wife. Now he said he should come back home. I listened to your program that you said if they see Iyabo Gio, that she's not sick, she's not okay with the children. I tire for your matter. I think it's not good to be sentimental. Where is Iyabo? Where is Rose? When Rotimi was disgracing Olu Alo, if she has people that can give her attestation and passport page, yeah. But ẹ mọ̀ pé France ọ̀nà tẹ́lẹ̀ fi gba wọ France. Olu Alo ò ní ìdí wọ́n fẹ́ wọ France lẹ́ni, kò ní ìdí àti wọlé through airport. Wọ́n ń chẹ́ẹ̀kì tó bá gba Italy wọlé, kò sí border control. Understand? She need 10 people to give her attestation. Of course, tó bá yẹ ti people ni she has good people around. She has people in that town. Good people. She has a good will ní ìlú yẹn gangan. But nǹkan tí èmi sọ ni for him to even think of láti jẹ́ kó padà wálé. Ajayi, deportation kọ́ ni solution. Deportation kọ́ ni solution o. Deportation kọ́ ni solution. Deportation kọ́ ni solution. Ah, madam, God bless you, ma. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́, thank you for joining. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ma, ṣe fi pé going back to Nigeria ni solution fún Ìyábọ̀ ni.
Kẹ́rí Olu Alo ó fẹ́ punish lady ni.
Èmi náà mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Tí lady yẹn bá fi ṣe mistake dé Nàìjíríà, tí ò bá gba ọmọ.
Ó máa gbà á ní kì í ṣe tó bá gbà á gba mẹ́tàtà life kò ní rí wọn mọ́ láéláé.
Á fi sílẹ̀, ó máa sọ fún pé àwọn ò kò sẹ́ni tì ẹ máa rí. Wọ́n bá ti ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kí irú nǹkan báyìí tó ṣẹlẹ̀ àti discuss ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. The other time ti France ni. Mo dẹ̀ sọ lọ́jọ́ yẹn pé lady yìí ní láti act smart and fast. Àwọn family gan ní láti act smart and fast.
At this level yẹ kí family ti involve embassy.
Don't involve because ẹni tó ti ń sọ pé òun kọ lẹ́tà àmọ́ nǹkan tó wà nínú lẹ́tà o.
Kò dẹ̀ mú lẹ́tà síta.
Kò mú síta.
Mo ló kọ́.
Ó lẹ́nìkan Germany bíbí tọkọ ẹ̀ gbé wọlé. Ìgbà tó wá notice pé ìyàwó yẹn fẹ́ máa ṣe rádaràda. Ó fún wọn ní proof marriage certificate. Ó fún wọn ní proof account ẹ̀ iye owó tó ń send sí. Ó dára Nàìjíríà o.
Ó ṣe ó ní mò ń sọ fáwọn èèyàn ni ó lè ọkọ ẹ̀ ni ó marry ẹ̀ kò dẹ̀ tí divorce kò dẹ̀ lóun divorce ẹ̀ so ó lè recall ẹ̀ back ó dẹ̀ lè ní òun ò fẹ́ àwọn ọmọ òun ní France pé òun wà capable òun ní owó tó máa fi tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ òun.
Òun wà capable àti take care wọn àtọmọ.
Ó tán.
Ó dẹ̀ submit account.
Account ló ní ìdí náà.
Owó tó wọlé sí account lady yẹn tẹ́lẹ̀ ńgbà tó wà Nàìjíríà.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
They both plan it but tó wá notice pé ìgbà tí lady yẹn dé bíbí story ti fẹ́ máa change. Kẹ́mọ̀ ọmọ fẹ́ gbàwé ẹni fẹ́ gbàwé ó fẹ́ yọ bàbá ní sẹ́tì. So bí ẹ ṣe hack smart tí wàhálà ṣiṣẹ́ lẹ́nu. So the best thing is that wọ́n mọ̀ pé Ìyábọ̀ náà wọ́n ń gbọ́ wa.
Oh, of course, yes.
Níbi tó wà ó máa láwọn tó ti pẹ́ nílùú.
Èmi mọ̀ pé Ìyábọ̀ ò lè lọlé ṣó yé yín. Èmi dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé situation Ìyábọ̀. Anyway, I don't want to talk, but one thing I know for sure ni pé for Olu Alo to be thinking in this direction, èèyàn burúkú ni. Èèyàn burúkú ni. Ó fẹ́ dì pẹ̀lú wọn ni.
Ó fẹ́ dì pẹ̀lú wọn. Ọjọ́ mi expect kó lọ sọ ní pé okay, màá lọ bá ìyàwó mi àjọ máa sọ̀rọ̀.
Ó tán.
Ìlú tí atábá ti jọ sọ̀rọ̀ mo máa mọ̀ bí màá ṣe settle because tó lọ ló bá jẹ́ good father. Ó ní reason tó fi gbé wọn lọ sílùú yẹn as a father. Maybe I don't know, maybe you want better life for the children but now àwọn ọmọ yẹn ti wà níbi bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n ti kọ́ French for how many years.
Ó fẹ́ wá da ayé wọn rú.
You now bring them back to Nigeria. Báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ kán máa kó báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ kán bẹ̀rẹ̀ again. So as a good father yẹ kó o pa ẹ jẹ́ kí n lọ bá Ìyábọ̀ so máa wá rí.
Àní Kini yìí gan my sister Kini yóò lè tó yìí láti bẹ̀rẹ̀.
In fact ṣe rí bó ṣe ń lé lọ yìí gan ṣe rí mo ló ti ṣe rí àwọn.
Ẹjọ́ ẹ mú tùsà o.
Àwọn tó bá pera wọn ní pastor àtàwọn tó bá ti gba Jésù jù wọ́n ti máa ń burú jù. They are so wicked, they are heartless. Láti secondary school mi ni mo àwọn senior mi tó máa ń chapel Kini fún wa tẹ́ ẹ bá ṣe àwọn prefect tó jẹ́ pé they are chapel something tó jẹ́ pé àwọn ni something about church they will not forgive you, they will punish you. Just look at mere seniors tó jẹ́ pé àwọn yẹn wọ́n ń ṣe wọ́n kàn jẹ́ normal sinner tó máa ń ṣe gànàgànà tó tẹ́ bá ṣe àwọn yẹn if you beg them they will forgive you. Tí mo ṣe wá ń dàgbà sí máa rí pé most of our pastors yẹn náà tẹ́ bá ṣe àwọn they will punish you. Wọ́n mọ̀ pé àwọn ṣàfẹ́ punish ẹni yẹn. Ẹ̀yin náà wo ti bàbá wọn ta sọ lánàá. Ẹgbọ́n nǹkan tí woman yẹn sọ pé kò ń ṣe.
Ó ní wọn ò ní forgiving spirit.
Kí wàá ní nǹkan tẹ̀ ń kọ́ ẹ pé Jesus likeness nìyí? What are you teaching us?
Irọ́.
Now this one mi ò expect ẹ kó lọ sọ pé òun fẹ́ deport lady.
Ó ti ṣe é sẹ́ ó lóun ti kọ lẹ́tà kò lè mú lẹ́tà yẹn lẹ̀ ní ẹ máa rí bó ti òun lójó sá lọ kó má bàa rí pé kó lọ mú wá ó ti sá lọ.
Ó possible kó kọ lẹ́tà yẹn tòótọ́.
Mo ló kọ ẹ máa wò.
Ọ̀rọ̀ tó kọ sínú lẹ́tà yẹn.
Ilé ó yẹ kí a fẹ́ rí la fẹ́ mọ̀.
Ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn máa jẹ́ nǹkan tó jẹ́ wípé.
Ó máa parọ́ síbẹ̀ ni. Ó máa parọ́ síbẹ̀ ni.
Ẹ̀yin lè kọrú nǹkan báyìí. So I mean I'm not expecting him to like pé òun fẹ́ lọ kọ lẹ́tà kan deport o. Ẹ jẹ́ fún mi ń tà màá bá lady yìí sọ.
Ṣèbí tó bá yẹ pé òun tiẹ̀ jẹ́yàn dáadáa ṣùgbọ́n ó yẹ kó ti lọ báyàwó ẹ̀ níbi tó wà láti ẹ̀ bóde òun àti ìyàwó òun ò jà òun mọ ibi tí ìyàwó òun mọ òun ní access ṣùgbọ́n ó yẹ kó lọ báyàwó ẹ̀ ní kó dẹ̀ sọ fún ìyàwó ẹ̀ pé ó yá.
Òun gangan mọ̀ fún rẹ̀ pé àwọn ń jà.
Ó máa sọ pé àyè òun àti ìyàwó òun ò jà ṣe é gbọ́ lórí Kini ni.
Wọ́n sọ síta ni wọ́n sọ fáwọn tó gan àwọn ará church wọn àwọn yẹn náà ń kó yẹn jẹ but ṣé ẹ̀mẹ́ni tó bá gbọ́n wọn pé ẹ má worry ẹ fún mi so time má lọ bá sọ̀rọ̀ má wá necessary thing as a pastor okay kí ni wọ́n wá ń gbọ́ ṣé wọ́n gbọ́n wọn náà ṣọ́nà òun sọ fún pé kó má sọ statement yẹn ni àbúrò ọlọ́run wà ẹ́ sìn.
Ẹ jẹ́ má tọ̀ra yín ohun ọlọ́run ló ń gbọ́ àwọn zakama jẹ́ ohun wo ló ń gbọ́.
Tó bá gbọ́n ó yẹ ẹgbọ́n ẹ̀yin lẹ máa sọ pé kí Táyé má fẹ́ Kẹ́hìndé ẹni tó ẹ ti máa rí wọn o ẹ fẹ́ ra yín ọlọ́run wà pẹ̀lú yín o tí ò bá sí bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ọlọ́run ò sí pẹ̀lú yín ẹ mọ̀ fẹ́ ra yín ẹ̀yin tẹ́ tí rí yẹn ó yẹ kọ́ ọlọ́run wọn yẹn because kò ń ṣe ọlọ́run tàwa ni wọ́n ń sìn ọlọ́run tèmi ń sìn kan ni wọ́n ń sìn.
No èmi ti mọ̀ in fact ṣé ìgbésẹ̀ tí mo gbọ́ Kini ẹ̀ báyìí mo ní Olu Alo ti ṣe Kini. Ó mọ̀ nǹkan tó ṣe ṣùgbọ́n ó ní kó òun produce ìyàwó òun ni òun fẹ́ produce ẹ̀.
Ó máa fìyà jẹ woman yẹn o.
Ọlọ́run tó bá tẹ mọ́rìtà lábẹ́ ó máa gba gbogbo ọmọ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ kò ní rí àwọn ọmọ yẹn mọ́.
Ó máa fìyà jẹ woman yẹn gan.
Kò ìfìyàjẹ kò ó lè má tẹ̀síẹ́ ní ìjà kan gbọmọ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ni ó tán.
Ara ìyá náà nìyẹn ẹni tó tí òun tó ń gbọmọ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ kí lẹ tún what do you expect.
Can I contribute? Yes. Ẹ̀yọ̀ kan ló ń fẹ́ my sister ẹjọ́ ẹ jẹ́ kí màá ní contribute. Good evening sir.
Good evening o ẹ kú iṣẹ́.
Ẹ ṣeun sir.
Ẹ rí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lójú ti tèmi. I think it has attracted so much publicity. Débi pé Ìyábọ̀ gan fúnra ẹ̀ ó lè lo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí láti further establish her asylum status. Wípé òun ní fear for persecution, torture and assault on many grounds. Ó ní proof yẹn. So gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe sọ ọkọ ilé take a step yẹn but òun náà ní right láti take a counter step. So ìrànlọ́wọ́ ló need at this stage láti rí ẹni tó lè bá fight case yẹn against the persecution tó máa lọ face. Ṣé get nǹkan tí mo sọ?
Honestly sir, you are 100% correct.
So,
but I don't think Nigeria is the best option for her.
No, so help tí ẹ máa ṣe fún nísìnyí láti wá lọ́ọ̀yà tó dáa tó lè bá fight case ẹ̀. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ilẹ̀ wa lọ tẹ lọ discover ẹ̀ tẹ́ jẹ́ ká mọ ibi tó wà. Iṣẹ́ yìí ò tí ì parí. Ẹ bá wọn wá èèyàn tó lè stand fún tó dẹ̀ lè bá justify her continued asylum status on that ground. Ẹ ṣé pọ̀.
God bless you sir. Ẹ ṣeun sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Ẹ ṣeun sir.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi níbi tí ọ̀rọ̀ gbé dúró báyìí kí lẹ̀yin feel pé ó jẹ́ kí ìyàwó Olu Alo ṣe kí lẹ̀yin feel pé ó yẹ kí Olu Alo ṣe? Ẹ fi àwọn opinion yín sínú comment kẹ́ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ what's the next step. See you next time. Bye.